Hello my friend, this is Grace from Olive Company. Thank you very much for choosing our Oxy-Air hyperbaric chamber. And when you receive our hyperbaric chamber, there will be 3 parts include the shipment, one side soft-shell sitting hyperbaric chamber, one side 10-liter oxygen concentrator, and one side air cooler. And next, I will introduce how to install this part one by one. This is the spare parts included in the hyperbaric chamber. Internal and external pressure gauge, which you can install in the chamber. This is the 2-size 1.3 ATA pressure, automatic pressure release valve, 1.5 ATA pressure release valve already on the chamber, so you can change 1.3 ATA. This is the 1-piece emergency pressure release valve, which you can release the pressure immediately if you want to get out of the chamber after your treatment. This is the adapter which you can connect with the face mask if you want to inhale high oxygen purity with 93%. This is the silencer which you can install in the chamber. The function of this silencer is reduce the noise. This is the face mask. We will provide several face masks if you want to inhale high oxygen purity with 93%. This is the user menu. You can open our user menu and check the details if you need. There is a label which you can know this is the external pressure gauge, this is the internal pressure gauge. Screw the external pressure gauge here. Screw tight. This position inside the chamber, you can install the internal pressure gauge. This position is install the internal pressure gauge. This position, you can install the emergency pressure release valve. First, you can screw this spare part. And then you can screw emergency pressure release valve here. This is the manual pressure release valve. When you want to use it, it is like this. If you want to release the pressure, you can screw out like this. And next, I will introduce how to connect with the oxygen concentrator with the cooler and with the chamber together. This tube packed with our cooler. This is 3 tube packed with the chamber. We already marked the label on the tube. This is the air, this is the O2, and this is the spare. And this tube we can connect with the air outlet on the oxygen concentrator. And another side we need to connect with the inlet on the cooler. And this tube we can connect the O2 here on the concentrator, and another side air outlet connect here, and the O2 tube connect here. And next we will introduce how to operate our oxygen concentrator. This is the front side of the concentrator. I will introduce one by one. This is the power switch, which you can press this button, and the machine will connect with the power and press the on and off button. The machine will turn on. This is the timing plus button. You can press this button to reset time to 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 50 minutes. And this is the timing reduce button. You can reduce the timing to 30 minutes, 20 minutes, 10 minutes. And this is the voice button. This function is when you turn on the machine, welcome to use our oxygen concentrator. And this is the pressure will show here, and this is the oxygen purity, and this is the flow meter, which you can adjust the flow from 0 to 10 based on your requirement. And we will also include the remote control with the concentrator. The function of this remote control is you can use it by yourself where you are in the chamber. Press on button, and you can also reset time and reduce time. And after you finish the session, you can turn off the machine. And after we make sure we install all the spare parts on the chamber and the cooler and the oxygen concentrator, before you inflate the chamber, you must make sure screw all the spare parts tight